Here we are at G's, the world's largest radish grower. I would like to showcase for you today Hazira radishes that are being grown for pre-pack and for processing use. Here we can see a trailer of one of our new round red radish variety, Donato, suitable for growing in the UK for pre-pack and processing. And alongside it is our new purple radish, Papella. Here we see the pre-washing process. The water is rich and dark in colour with the high nutrient peaty soil on which it is grown. Here we see the radish has been initially washed and passed through its first stages of quality control. This is Diego coming over the rollers, and also there is Papella. After this, varieties are topped and tailed, graded and rinsed in clean water before passing through the next stages of quality control. As you can see, Diego has maintained its good colour, skin, and the presentation is excellent. And the same is true for Papella. With its intense purple colour and excellent uniformity, it is now the industry standard for purple radish in the UK. Finally, in the boxes ready for packing, we see Diego and Papella ready to go off. As I cut samples, we can see the excellent internal quality of Papella and Diego. Hazira radishes bring significant advantages for skin retention, internal quality, shape and uniformity. Hybrid outdoor round red radish varieties from Hazira. We have Bandito, suitable for all-season pre-pack production, Donato, suitable for all-season pre-pack and for processing, Diego, suitable for all-season pre-pack and for counter-season production, and Papella, suitable for all-season purple pre-pack production. At Hazira, we're putting a lot of effort into our radish breeding programs to select and develop varieties that offer real benefits to growers, retailers and consumers. Hybrid radish varieties from Hazira have better characteristics to withstand growers' washing and harvesting processes. They have better internal quality, extending shelf life and reducing waste, and they decolour less through the washing process, giving much better visual appeal, making it a more attractive product to retailers and consumers.